Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the rail gear on the Samsung refrigerator. We'll need a few different tools for the job. We'll leave those listed in the description below. Let's get started. The first thing that you'll need to do is open up the freezer drawer. Next, remove the upper freezer tray assembly by pushing it to the rear, lifting the wheels out of the slots, and then lifting up on the front to remove it. Next, remove the freezer box tray by tilting the rear and pushing back to remove it from the front slot. Then tilt forward and lift up to remove. Next, remove the 4 10mm bolts. There are 2 on each side. Next, we can remove the freezer door by grabbing both sides, lifting up to remove the door brackets from the slide rails, and lifting out to remove. Next, remove the retaining pin from the gear shaft by simply pulling it out. Next, remove the gear shaft by sliding it to the right, then lifting up on the left side and sliding it out to remove it. To remove the freezer drawer slide rail, first make sure that it is fully extended, then depress the locking tab and slide it out. Next, make sure that the slide rail is fully retracted. Then set the slide rail on a hard flat surface with the gear end overhanging off an edge. Now align a Phillips screwdriver on the center of the rail gear, then punch it out. If you have a bad rail gear and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You'll want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on the refrigerator to make sure that you get the correct part. Also, this part varies between the left and right sides. Please make sure you're ordering the correct side. With the rail on a hard flat surface, align the gear. Then firmly press on the rail until the gear snaps into place. This may require quite a bit of force to do. To reinstall the freezer drawer slide rail, insert the gear end first and then push it until it locks in place. Next, fully extend the freezer drawer slide rails. Take the end of the gear shaft with the hole in it and insert it into the right side. Then align and insert the left side. If the gear does not line up, depress the locking tab and pull the rail out slightly, rotate the gear, reinsert the rail, and recheck alignment. Now, reinstall the retaining pin. Next, reinstall the freezer door by aligning the tabs on the door brackets with the slots on the freezer glides and setting in place. Now reinstall the 4 10mm bolts. Next, reinstall the freezer box tray by inserting the back first, tilting the front forward into the slot, and then setting it in place. Next, reinstall the upper freezer tray by tilting in the rear and setting it down onto the freezer box tray. Now push it to the rear and then pull it forward to make sure the wheels are locked in place. So that's it for this repair. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below.